I'm making a pork roast today. I'm going to brown this in my Instapot. Then we're going to add some vegetables and seasonings, and we're going to put it on slow cook. I stuffed it with garlic. We're browning it. So when it gets brown on the other side, I'll show you what we do next. All right, I'm going to add about a cup of water in there. Only because I'm going to add a little bit of beef base. All right, I'm going to add a few carrots just for the seasoning for the broth. I've got a stalk of celery and an onion. I'm going to stir this around, mix it all together. I'm going to put it on slow cook, and I'll let you see it later. So this is the roast. I have removed it out of here. It's done. I'm going to strain these vegetables out. I have some potatoes, sweet potatoes, and some white potatoes. We're going to add this into this broth. I remove the roast. I'm going to slice it, and I will return it back to this after the potatoes are done. So I'm going to put this on saute and let these cook a little bit, and we'll be back. Okay, so these potatoes are about half done. Now would be the time to taste your broth and adjust your seasoning. Whatever this tastes like, that's what your gravy's going to taste like. So I've tasted mine. It doesn't need anything. I've got some cornstarch and water I'm going to add in here just to thicken it up a little bit. And I have my roast that I sliced or cut up. We're going to add it back in there and toss it around in those juices. And this is a one-pot meal, y'all. It's dinner. If that don't look good, y'all, I don't know what to tell you. Pork roast, yams, white potatoes, and gravy. That's what's for dinner. Try this simple, easy recipe, and you can thank me later.